इच्छाशक्तीच्या बळग्यार मनातल्या भावनांक पुस्तकांच्या रूपात आकार दिवप, तेवूय सामके कठीण परिस्थितींत. ही खऱ्यांनीच कौतुकाची गजाल. श्रद्धा गरडाक आमी सगळ्यांनीच उर्बा दिवपाक जाय. गोंयचो राज्यपाल महामहीम श्रीधरन पिल्लयाची ही उतरां
खूपच मोलाची जावन रावतात जेन्ना राज्यपाल स्वतः लेखिकेच्या घरा वचून व्हडा आदरान आनी कौतुकान पुरस्कार भेटयता. श्रद्धा गरड हे युवा लेखक ताचे काव्य परमळ ह्या काव्य संग्रहा खातीर साहित्य अकादमीचो राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार जाहीर जालो. श्रद्धा राजभवनाचेर तो स्वीकारपा खातीर वचपाक पावले ना. शेवटाक राज्यपालच दवल्ली मडगांवच्या ताच्या घरा गेलो आनी ताणें 1 लाखांची अर्थीक मजतय जाहीर केली. आयकुया राज्यपाल श्रीधरन पिल्लयची खोशयेची उतरां.
Shraddha Garg, recently she got a national award. Kendra Sahitya Academy selected her for collection of poem Kavya Parimal, and nationwide award given to that, and I complimented her. Today in Rajbhavan at 4:30 p.m. there was a function for honoring such a type of persons this year. Those them got Kendra Sahitya Academy Award. So I complimented them. But as far as this Miss Shraddha, she is from Dublin. She is unable to come and attend the program. But she was so particular to come also. But 75% of her body is paralyzed due to a serious disease. But her mental makeup after this breast position, upper say, it's intact. So such a bedridden girl written this book, and it has got national award in the poem field. Is something which we will all appreciate, and that is why yesterday I told her family that you need not come to Rajbhavan. I will come and compliment them. So I complimented her. For that purpose I reached here.
सुवाळो राजभवनाचेर आसलो. सगळे पुरस्कार जैतिवंत राजभवनाचेर पाविल्ले, पूण श्रद्धा गरड येवपाक शकले ना. ताचे फाटले कारण कळ्ळे उपरांत राज्यपालान आपणेच ताच्या घरा वचपाचो निर्णय घेतलो. तातूंत ताचीच भडवीक आसा.
After considering her efforts, even in the 75% paralyzed body, she was completely bedridden. She is not able to stand and walk. In such a condition, this type of Kavya Parimal and this book was prepared by her. So talent is there, and it is a duty of the Rajbhavan. I feel that it is the duty of the Rajbhavan to extend all types of compliments and aid to her. So I am declaring that from Rajbhavan Fund we are allotting 1 lakh rupees for her and for her treatment and for her well-being, and we have decided declaring that, and that is why I am happy to see all of you. Through that I can declare that. This is the only thing I want to say. But that a girl who is completely bedridden, no chance of revival. But even then, her mental capacity, through she can't write, but through single point and by using her finger, she's doing this through mobile phone, and these poems are prepared. Very sorry to say that people are not by and large appreciate all these things, and it is our duty, our society's duty, to at least compliment and give all these things. And Sarpanch was there, and I told the Sarpanch also and others also, we will have to at least visit her and give all types of support. And anyway, Rajbhavan's part we are giving within 2 days all this amount, and I am very happy that these research type of these types of works are not for today, not for tomorrow. It is for centuries. It will exist. So it's a permanent investment, permanent contribution. So I will ask all public workers and good people. People are good at heart. Should visit this girl and support and declare their support to them. Thank you.
श्रद्धा गरड कोकणी मोगी युवा अवस्थेसावन तेका कवितांचो घोस्त.
आजे सांग म्हाका तुज्या मनातले, आजे सांग म्हाका तुज्या मनातले, कित्याक तुजे दोळे सदांच ओले ओले. मोगरेवरी मुखामळ तुजे, मोगरेवरी मुखामळ तुजे, रतन आबोलेवरी रंग फिके. आजे सांग म्हाका तुज्या मनातले, कित्याक तुजे दोळे सदांच ओले ओले.
पूण ताचे कुडीन ताका सांगात दिलो ना. दुयेंसाक लागून खाटीर पडून उरलें, पूण निर्शेलें ना. न्हिदला थंयच मोबायलाचेर कविता बरोवपाक सुरवात केली. कोंकणी अकादमीन ताचें पुस्तकय उजवाडाक हाडलें. पुरस्कार मेळोवपा इतली तांक फकत कवितांनी नासली, श्रद्धाच्या कणखर मनांतय आसली. आयकात खूब वर्सांनी लोकां मुखार आयिल्ल्या श्रद्धाच्यो भावना.
We have got award. We are the first governor, sir. For so many years, we are getting awards, but nobody felicitated. Nobody even wished. You are the first governor, sir.
Thank you.
So I am grateful to you, your staff.
गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान संदीप तुयेंकार आनी पणजेच्यान श्यामचारी.